In the realm of democratic government, the fair and impartial administration of justice is the cornerstone upon which the integrity of the system rests. However, when a political motivations corrupt the judicial process, innocent individuals become victims of miscellaneous false prosecutions, and public resources are wasted on such litigations. The use of taxpayer money to fund political motivated cases against the opposition figure is rephrases the practice that undermine the fundamental principle of the justice and the democracy. The diversion of the public funds to target political opponents is a blatant abuse of power. Taxpayers who contributed their hard-earned money to fund public essential services should not have their resources exploited to silence dissent or silence those who hold opposition views. Such misappropriation of funds deprive the public of much needed investments in education, healthcare, infrastructures, and other vital areas. However, political prosecution undermine the rule of law, endure public trust in the justice system. When the legal process is weaponized to settle political scores, it sends a chilling message that those who were challenged by the ruling party's agenda will face the consequences. This creates an atmosphere of fear and intimidation, and debate starts, and preventing the emergency of alter voices. The consequences of public prosecutions extends beyond immediate damages inflicted on the target individuals. They create a precedent that invites future abuses and authoritarian misuse. When the government realizes that they can use the power of state to silence their critics without fear of consequences, they may be tempted to do so with increasing frequencies. Furthermore, political prosecutions can be a devastating impact on the lives who are accused of the crimes they have not been committed. These individuals face public sanctity, financial hardship, and emotional distress, even if they are eventually damage their reputation and their well-being has irreparable loss. History is represented with examples of political prosecutions that have been used to suppress the dissent and undermine the democracy. In the Soviet Union, the trial shows that in 1930 eliminated everyone perceived as threat to Jonas Stalin regime. In Nazi Germany, the Reichstag fire trial was used to justify the imprisonment of political opponent and consolidate Hitler's power. In recent years, there have been disturbing reports of political prosecution in various countries of the world. In Turkey, journalists, academics, and opposition figures have been arrested and imprisoned and charged. In Venezuela, the use of judiciary to silence political opponents has become a systematic practice. In Hungary, legislation has been passed by the Fidesz party to restrict the freedom of press and cultural independence of the judiciary. The use of the taxpayer money to fund political prosecution is betrayal of democratic principles. It is an insult to judiciary and waste of public resources and a threat to collective freedom. We must demand our governments respect and rule of law and refrain from using judicial system as a tool for political uh, settlements against their opponents. Taxpayers have the right to demand accountability and transparency in the use of money. They should demand that their funds should be used to support essential services and not be wasted for political vendettas. We must insist that our judicial system should be independent and impartial, where the individuals are treated fairly regardless of their political affiliations. The fight against the political prosecution is the fight for the integrity of our domestic institution and the preservation from our freedoms. By holding these powers accountable by supporting independent journalism and educating ourselves about the dangers of political prosecutions can help to ensure that the justice prevails and our taxpayer money are used in the betterment of the society, not for the suppression of the opposition.